This is a 1966 Dodge Charger. Beautiful silver color. The owner mentioned it was a 5-year restoration project, so it takes a long time when you really want to do it right. Has a 383 cubic inch engine under the hood, and the hood's going to be up in a minute, so there it goes. The owner's putting it up. It has a new compressor, has air conditioning. Really nice looking under the hood. There you saw the condenser in front of the radiator. And of course hidden headlamps. You see them in the covered position. That's the new compressor. And aftermarket wheels, but they really look nice on this car. Maroon interior. Has torque fight. I like the dials on this car. Plenty of information. Nice steering wheel. Of course, bucket seats in that console that essentially goes the length of the passenger compartment. Some speakers have been added in the back. And there's a book of the restoration, and that's pretty common practice when somebody goes through all the trouble of restoring a car. And they like to document where it started and how it ended. This was the first year for this design. Made it again in the following year. Full width tail light here. And there's the trunk. And of course that the back seats recline. I mean, go forward rather. Yeah. So you have quite a load space in the car. Yeah, they are hinged so they go right down. I think this is more closer to a show car that became a reality for Chrysler Corporation, perhaps more than any other. This really looks like it could have been a show car back in the day. Very nicely done.